If you want to become a successful trader, stop following a fixed risk-reward goals. No one knows what will happen next. Once we put on a trade, anything can happen. The only thing we have full control of is our risk management. If you follow a fixed risk-reward goals, you might miss bigger opportunities because you took profit too soon, and then FOMO kicks in. You might lose all the gains you did before. And if you try to stick to these fixed goals, you might take unnecessary risk. Being a bit more flexible with your risk-reward approach lets you adapt better to what's really going on and make smarter decisions and become a profitable trader. Hey there, Tom here from FIBONACCI'S.com here with the daily market recap. Please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, and without any further ado, let's see the charts. Quick reminder, Fibonacci Traders Academy playlist. 25 videos on how to become a better trader each and every day. Technical side, psychology behind trading. So before you take any other course, any other paid service, check this playlist and you will see you will become a better trader. SPY daily 450 from resistance now needs to act as support. Let's see continuation during tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, 2 more days for this trading week. Monday stock market is closed. Let's see continuation up towards the 455 gap. QQQ, same thing, nice bounce since mid-August lows. Now 377 breaking up and above, and 380 gap will get filled. 373 is now the risk management. Dow Jones with a doji off the 618 retracement. We had a downtrend, now bounce towards the 618 retracement with a doji, which means we might get some kind of a pullback on the Dow towards the 346. Doji, indecision in the market, and also trend reversal signal, the most significant and strong trend reversal signal from all the indicators that you know. It's all about candlestick analysis. All other indicators just follow price. So educate yourself to follow price. This doji will get validated, close below 348, and then we have all the levels to the downside. IWM finally breaking above, closing above the 188 area, very tough resistance over here. Did not hold the support, now breaking up, closing above. Now let's see continuation towards the 190 and then 192. Bitcoin sliding back down, 27 needs to hold, otherwise 26,500 and then back to 27,700. Ethereum, same thing, breaking below the 1711 and now looks like going back to the 1660 and 1630. KRE, we are waiting for another day closing above this yellow line. This yellow line represents a very tough resistance since March. Every time price reached, rejected, broke to the upside, went back down, and now since middle of August, as you can see in the past week or so, very tough resistance, inside day, nothing much, which means we still wait. Maybe we will wait for a weekly close above 45 and then we will take long. Of course, everything you see in here is for educational purposes only. Always do your own due diligence. Never follow blindly anyone on social media. Stop following others and stop asking others what to buy, where to buy, how to buy, where to sell, and what to do. Because you don't know them, you don't know their strategy, you don't know their psychology behind trading, their risk management, their strategy. What works for them not necessarily will work for you. It's your money. Take care of your money. XLV breaking below the 134, 135. Now 134.40 needs to hold. Otherwise we are heading back to this trend line And overall, we can see that since middle of July, we have price range with lower highs but higher lows since May. Let's see, break above this purple trend line and we are heading towards the 140, breaking below this trend line and we are heading towards 130. Always prepare for both sides because, as we said, no one knows what will happen next. Oil once again almost reached this area of resistance, and doji inside candle for now. 80-40 needs to hold, and maybe then we'll get a bounce and retesting this area once again. Natural gas, nice bullish day, breaking above the 277. Now 277 will get retested as support before the next leg up towards 3 and this upper trend line. SOXX 511, tough support because it was a very important level of tough resistance, sorry, because it was a very important level of support. Now resistance, breaking above, we have 520 and 536. AAPL, continuation to the upside. As we said, once 181 will break, price will break above the 181, we will get bullish sentiment towards the 190.70 gap. We need a weekly close above 186, and then next week, in my opinion, this gap will get filled. NVDA, doji, indecision on NVIDIA. We are waiting for a break above this trend line and then bulls will come very strong towards the 576 in my opinion. Let me know your opinion. What do you think about NVIDIA? Where NVIDIA is heading? We're starting September and then we're going into Q4, 2023 Q4. Let me know, what do you think? Where NVIDIA will end up 2023, Q4 of 2023, sorry. Let me know where NVIDIA, what do you think? Where NVIDIA is heading? Meta, 300, tough psychological resistance. Also the 50% retracement, downtrend retracement, 50% inside day, indecision on Meta. If you're waiting to go long, I would wait for a weekly close above 300 and then we are heading towards 305, 313 and 326 to the upside. AMD trying this long-term white trend line is holding. Bounce. Now, if you want to go long on AMD, a weekly close above 110. Tesla holding with a doji, holding between the 618 and the 50% retracement. We need a weekly close above 262 and then this gap, the 290, will get filled. Take 1 second to hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss the pre-market preparation, 8:30 Eastern time each and every day, live of course, and the midday review. I take Q&A every day, almost every day. I'm trying to do it every day. 12 p.m. Eastern time. Don't miss it. Very helpful, very educational. Microsoft still moving sideways. I'm waiting for a weekly close above 331 and then we have all the levels to the upside. We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. All the levels to the upside. Shopify, continuation. We said we are waiting for a break above 57 and now 2 very bullish days heading towards the 60-90 area, 61 area from resistance, support. Now it will become a very tough resistance because it's also the 618 Fibonacci retracement. Amazon getting back above this white trend line, But as we can see, bulls are having a tough time. We have doji over here, doji over here, doji over here, indecision. On Amazon, let's see if the weekly can close above the 137, and then we can say Amazon bulls are here and will take us towards 143. Google 134 from resistance. Yesterday broke up, closed above it. Today, as you can see, from resistance to support, low of the day was the support, and we have an inside day, inside candle on Google, continuation up, purple trend line, and 138 will be next. Netflix bounced. Since the bounce of this red trend line is holding the higher lows since July of 2022. As you can see, each and every time price reached this trend line, bounce, bounce, bounce. Also here, bounced. Now 438, 440 area is also the 50% retracement. Very tough resistance. Only by looking left we can identify that this is a very tough resistance, breaking above a weekly close above it, and this gap at the 467 will get filled. All you need to do is truly understand pure price action, candlestick analysis, and the relationship with trend lines and Fibonacci levels, and then you will become your own indicator. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, hit the notification bell, because we are going live 2 times a day, 8:30 Eastern time, pre-market preparation, and 3-4 times a week, 12 p.m. Eastern time, midday market review. Until the next video, stay safe.